I never imagined one knee twist would.
You have a complex degenerative medial meniscal tear with extrusion plus compartment arthritis. Your meniscus won't be repaired. What are my options? I can refer you to a surgeon because this is beyond my expertise.
I can do part surgery for the affected area or full knee replacement. Let me know when you have decided.
It was not a knee emergency. I didn't feel like going for a surgery as my 4 private and public physiotherapists helped me with removing the knee catching and limping issues. In a few months, I can walk for 10-15 minutes without pain and limp. My shoulder full rotator cuff tear is my priority for surgery. So I kept searching for non-surgical treatments for my knee meniscus tear because I had heard about hyaluronic acid injections from my mother's physiotherapist a couple of years back. I then asked my GP for the Euflexxa Injection series referral.
I took my GP's Euflexxa Injection referral and booked an appointment at the radiology. I was advised to bring a driver with me as a protocol to drive me home, so I book a taxi for the day.
I get terrible motion sickness. Cars, buses, trams, planes. If I'm not driving, my brain rebels. By the time I arrived at the clinic, I had a pounding headache with nausea. After the injection, potential side effects may result such as an infection for which your GP can give you an antibiotic, a rad knee, use an ice pack for that, headache, nausea, dizziness. I already have a headache and nausea because of the taxi backseat motion sickness.
We can stop that tiny hairline chip from causing friction every time you move. I'm going to use a blunt needle to inject the local anesthesia. It will prick slightly. Do not move your knee.
I'm not afraid of needles. My mother is, though.
Don't move. Relax. It's just anesthesia. Feel better? You are good to go.
Thanks.
Here's my biggest takeaway from Euflexxa Shot 1. Every single body reacts differently. Genetics, motion sickness, anesthesia tolerance, it all plays a part.
So listen to your doctors, take the 48-hour rest seriously, and maybe don't sit in the back of a taxi if you get car sick.
Recovery isn't the same for everyone because every body responds differently. I'm taking the next step in my recovery journey.
Day 1, sitting and typing was fine, but when I tried to squat below chair level.
Day 2, the knee pain was better, but I woke up with a dizzy head and nausea with a pounding headache. I took Pro-Calm and spent the day resting.
Day 3. My head cleared up completely, but I could still not walk more than 10-15 minutes. My second Euflexxa shot is coming up next week. For my next update, by subscribing to the channel. And if you know anyone who could benefit from hearing about this journey, please like and share this video.